Today, I will be telling you the November 7th, 2022 hurricane update. I will be talking about 5 systems. First is Lisa. Lisa dissipated on November 5th and formed on October 31st. Its peak intensity was 85 miles per hour and had a pressure of 987 millibars. Lisa made landfall on Belize near the mouth of the Ciban River. The storm surge flooded most of Belize City. Lisa brought heavy rain to southern Mexico. Martin formed on November 1st and dissipated on November 3rd. Martin's peak intensity was 85 miles per hour and 960 millibars. I will be telling you how Martin formed. On November 1st, deep convection developed near the center, which had separated from the frontal boundary. The system also developed a warm core, resulting in the formation of Tropical Storm Martin. The next day, a better defined eye developed and a tight banding pattern wrapping around the center also developed. This resulted in Martin becoming a Category 1 hurricane. Nalgi formed on October 26th and dissipated on November 3rd. Its peak intensity was 70 miles per hour and a pressure of 975 millibars. Nalgi made 6 landfalls before dissipating. Inves 97L. Inves 97L is located in the central subtropical Atlantic. It is not moving, but has a wind speed of 40 miles per hour and a pressure of 1,013 millibars. Inves 97L is a well-defined area of low pressure several hundred miles east of Bermuda. Tropical storm could form over the next couple days. By the middle of the week, the system is expected to merge with a strong cold front, which will limit development. For the next 2 days, there is a 60% chance of formation and a 60% chance of formation in the next 5 days. Tropical Storm Nicole. Tropical Storm Nicole is located in the southwestern Atlantic. Tropical Storm Nicole is moving northwest at 9 miles per hour, has a wind speed of 45 miles per hour, and a pressure of 1,000 millibars. On Tuesday, Nicole is forecast to turn westward or west-southwestward. Hurricane and tropical storm watches and warnings have been issued for parts of Bahamas and parts of Florida. Please like and subscribe.